Hello friends, this is Miguel, Mexican Spec. I have been cleaning all the parts that I took out of the interior and the trunk for this car, trying to get them ready to be reinstalled. Working my fingers to the bone. Right here, this part was warped, pretty badly warped, so it got wet. I'm going to take the batteries off and it should be completely flat. I think it did a pretty good job here. Yeah, that flattened it out pretty good. So, still have the door panels here, getting dirty again. I have these panels that go on the back of the car, and they're ready to go back on. They're not really painted, but that's fine. Here are all the parts. I cleaned all of them. Still just a little bit dirty here, but I'll clean it a little bit more before they go back on. The tail lights are done, visors. There's a whole lot of chrome pieces. Even though this is a base model car, there were just so many chrome pieces for the inside, the outside. There's a few pieces in here I don't think are for this car, but I cleaned them anyway. The hood hinges I have here, I have not. Oh, okay, well, I guess I have a set of 1979 Mustang ends for the tail on the car. I still have to clean these seats. Have not done that yet. Foam's coming apart, but stuff is just about ready to go in. Got some more cleaning to do on this carpet here, but that's down the road anyway. I still have to get the front end back together, or the back end back together, and still need to clean out the inside of the car and find the bolts to put the front end back on. Just wanted to do a short video. Hey Muggs. Just wanted to do a short video so I could tell you the next thing that's going to happen, which is going to be putting this front end back together. You know, this front bumper has these shocks here that seem like a good idea, but I don't know if you can tell, but somebody welded those shocks. Somebody welded those shocks so they're not shocks anymore. I took the bolts out, but I was not able to get the bumper actually off the car. So it has just sat there. So I'm going to be putting the front end back together and the hood hinges on, and then we'll see where we go from there. So if you want to see more of this car, please like, share, subscribe. Actually subscribe first, then do the rest. Bye.